Alrighty guys, what's going on today? So today I want to talk to you guys a little bit about hooking your KRK Rokit monitors up to an AUX, an auxiliary cord. Now for those of you who don't know what an auxiliary cord is, or just need a little bit of a reminder, here is what it looks like. These are essentially 3.5 millimeter cables that can be hooked into tons of different devices, from laptops to computers to older iPhones, Android phones. The list goes on and on and on. Now, when you hook these up, these are typically used for consumer stereo systems, such as car speakers, at-home consumer portable speakers, things of that nature that are mostly used just for regular kind of active or passive listening experiences, rather than professional kind of studio-ready mixing or production experiences. So with that being said, it's not as simple as just plugging in an auxiliary cord into your KRK Rokit monitors. Instead, you do need to do a little bit of routing and work to get it done. So for those of you who aren't familiar with KRK Systems KRK Systems or KRK Rokit monitors, KRK began producing and manufacturing their monitors back in 2003 with the Generation 1 KRKs, and we are currently in 2020 right now, and we are looking at the KRK G4 8s. The G4 stands for Generation 4, and the 8 stands for 8-inch low-frequency driver. So just in terms of sound quality, design, and so much more, these speakers or studio monitors have come quite a long way, and they sound wonderful. And I think for those people who are just looking for a good active listening sort of experience, and maybe you're not a producer or mix engineer, maybe you are and you just want to also use them for that, having the ability to hook them up to an aux cable is really great, and it just makes your listening experience more flexible. You have the ability to kind of plug your phone in if you want and play directly off of your studio monitors if you have a device available to do so. Now, of course, it is important to note that, again, you're not going to be able to just go directly into these. You are going to need, I'll take you around the back here so you can kind of see it. These use a balanced input. The balanced input either takes XLR 3-pin cables or TRS cables. Balanced TRS, tip ring sleeve cables, otherwise known as 1/4 inches, otherwise known as instrument cables. This is one right here. So this is what's going to go in the back. And as you can see, compare that to your typical 3.5 or aux cable. It's a lot bigger, right? So you're going to need to essentially have those go inside one another, and that's what's going to hook up to the back. Now, if you want to use both both of your studio monitors in stereo, you're going to have to get a cable that splits your aux cable in two. So that way you can plug your aux cable, for example, directly into your laptop, if you were listening off of your laptop, and then that can run over to one of these bad boys, or two of them to be exact, and then you put them one in the back of your left monitor, one in the back of your right. It's very, very simple, very easy. Yeah, that's pretty much it. It's how to kind of hook up your KRK Rokit monitors to an aux cord. If you guys have any questions or insights, please feel free to leave them in the comments. All right, take it easy.